So we have our Purity water system. Now, I haven't had confirmation on this yet, so please don't quote me, but I'm going to use a little bit of common sense here. We know that the coronavirus is an airborne disease, but what we haven't had confirmation on yet is whether it's a waterborne disease as well. Is it in our water system? Is this how it's being spread? We don't know. So again, I want to take a precaution because I'm not sure, and sometimes I don't trust the authorities. I'm going to use my own common sense and protect myself the way we can. And the Puritii water system and air filtration system is a great line of defense, again, for that whole 360 view of what our environment is like. So what's in our water? You know, look, we have bottled water, we have tap water. So most bottled waters are filtered for taste, but they still contain all the chemicals. Bottled waters also have all the plastics, which leach into the water over time, making it, for me, not a smart choice not to have bottled water. Tap water, especially here in the UK, I'm not so sure in other countries, but in the UK, it's, again, filtered for taste. They want you to drink it. It's not necessarily filtered to remove impurities. So here in the UK, our tap water has industrial chemicals, it has pesticides, it has lead, which is a mineral, and a toxic mineral. It also contains mercury. It contains parasites, bacteria, hormones, and viruses. So let's take a look at what the Puritii actually filters out, okay? It filters out almost 99% of all of these. So we can filter out the viruses when you look here. So if the coronavirus is in our water system, then we are most definitely going to spread a lot quicker. So taking a look at getting a water filter is imperative. Removes the protozoa, the parasites, the bacteria, the viruses, the fungi, the algae, the heavy metals, that's the lead and the mercury, and any radioactive substances as well. So the water filter also removes the chemicals we have in our water, from a treatment chemical like fluoride and chlorine, and chemicals like pesticides and herbicides. It can also remove the hormone disrupting drugs that get through to our system as well. So as you can see, that 360 view of how we can protect our bodies is imperative. Now we also take a look at the Puritii air filter system. Now, for me, I am the main carer in my family. So if any member of my family gets ill, I have to take care of them. My other half, Paul, my children. And so for me, making sure that my environment is imperatively clean, so I can work at my best and protect myself as much as anyone else. Now, we know with an airborne disease that if our environment is clean, and especially now that we're at home more, the air filter can actually filter and remove 99.99% of pollutants, and viruses included. This is an incredible machine, such a good investment in this time. So Puritii was initially designed for outdoor air pollution, and the World Health Organization calls the general public a health emergency, which is what we are in right now, a health emergency. So having products that are 100% or 99.99% effective, to me, is a very smart choice. It is an investment, but a very clever and smart investment for your health. So it can remove, as I said, the bacteria, the viruses, and organic compounds, and the lung damaging particles that trigger asthma and other respiratory and pulmonary artery diseases. Now, we know COVID-19, the coronavirus, attacks your respiratory system. So for me, doesn't it make sense? It's just common sense that we are going to choose all the products that not only boost our immune system, but lower our risk. And this is one that will definitely do that. I am absolutely positive and confident that all of the RX range can help protect against the COVID-19 bacteria virus, as well as correct it if we catch it and lessen our chances of it becoming a fatal virus within your family. Please feel free to share my testimonial here, because I really wholeheartedly have the confidence in the RX products to not only help myself, but to help my family and my clients raise their immune system and fight disease on a higher level. These products are incredible, the best I've seen on the market. And I really wish everyone in this time of crisis to take the best care of yourself and your families, to put everything in place to make sure we are fighting fit and resilient, not only from a business point of view, but also from a health point of view. RX gives us both. In a time when we are fearful for jobs, RX is there as a means for us to run an ethical, fantastic business and use the best health products we have on this planet to help fight against the diseases we have bombarding us at this very scary time. So I would love to thank you for spending your evening with me. I thank you so, so, so much. And I wish everybody health, wealth, happiness, and success. And thank you for joining us on our first lifestyle webinar. And there's lots more coming. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful evening, everybody, and stay safe.
Thank you so much, Barbara. That was again marvelous as usual. So
Thank you.
I think we'll learn a lot, let's say, especially in this very useful information with each and every one.